everybody! I'm back again with another drawing video, and yes, I am also going to be showing you how to draw another cat. Now, shortly after I had published my first video, which you can see in the link below in the description, I was watching some other videos, and then I just started scribbling on a post-it note, and I came up with a new cat, well, not really new, but came up with another cat design that I just learned how to draw. So this is the design. I fell in love with it. It was awesome. So this is my second cat design, and I'm going to be showing you how to draw it. So we are once again going to start off with circles, because with cats it's probably best just to do with circles. Now this cat isn't going to look as scribbly as the other one because I did the other one with a pen, but let's get started. So, you first want to start with a circle for the head. That's where you usually want to start off, because then it can just help you build off with the rest of the other body parts. Alright, next what we're going to do is we're going to take an oval. This is also going to be its shoulder again, so you just want to make a nice oval. And then with the fourth circle, you're actually surprisingly going to make it a little far back. I mean, not too far, but I was kind of like, whoa, because it didn't work out the first time I tried to draw it. So those are your three main circles. And then you're kind of gonna make a small arch on the head, because it's just getting up from a nap or whatever. And then you're going to make less of a shoulder blade because it's not really needed. And you're going to kind of go down and connect it with the other parts. After you're done with that, you're going to want to start with the first leg. So you build it off that circle, kind of make it plant onto the ground because it's pushing itself up. And then you want to build it back up like that. After you've done that, you're going to make your back legs. So once again, another arch. And now for the back legs, since they're actually quite lengthy on cats, I'm kind of going to scrunch that foot in a little bit under the thigh, because, you know, you got that little push-off section in the leg. So you're just going to kind of, you know, do that. Alright. After that, I think I made the tail then. I wanted it to kind of like curve around and have that 3D effect. So that's what I'm going to do again. Alright, after you're done with that, you're going to kind of make it kind of like almost sitting up, but not entirely. You're going to just connect everything. So after you do that, you might have to fix some of your feet, because so now I'm going to make my second leg. Now it's still pushing itself up, so we're going to branch off from the chest and kind of make it reaching out. And then we're going to connect it from back here to where you think would be most appropriate. Now you want to make sure that you get that cat shape in your leg, otherwise it's not going to look good. So, after you've come up with that, you're going to make your back leg. It's just kind of popping out there. I mean, cats still have 4 legs, you only have 2. So then you have that. And to also help with your design, you kind of erase that. So after you've finished the main body, you have to add the ears. Ears kind of pop out a little bit more than they did in the last video, but you still have to branch them off the face. In my other sketch, kind of really didn't do that, but that's what you want to do in this video. And then you have that second ear kind of pop out. Now you're starting with the main cat face. Now, kind of want to add a little bit more detail to it. It kind of has a fat little chin there, so I gotta fix that. Better. So, I gotta erase those lines that the game's came through. Well, not those ones. And now you still want to add some details. So another fine line here. And then continue on the other side here. So, now we do want to actually start on the face. So let's start with the nose. The nose, once again, is just a tiny little triangle or circle-ish thing. I'll make it another happy kitty. Now the whiskers are always, well, no. In my last video I said do whiskers first. This time I'm going to do the eyes first. So you kind of want that, the first shape, you don't want the eyes to be painted. But that's a good eye. No, you do not want to branch the line off the face. Now, we've got that pupil. I'm going to give it a rounder pupil this time. Add that one. Now we're going to have whiskers on it. And once again, you want to add those little dots. And then some whiskers. And now the whiskers you can branch off to the other side of the face because the cat still has whiskers there. So, that's your main body, and like I said in a previous video, how I work is I like to outline everything. Now once again, like in a previous video I had made, well in my previous video, should I say, you just get to make your own type of cat. This time I'm going to make a Siamese, because once again my cat mirror is just a plain old white, so, you know. I thank you for watching this video. I know that this cat is a little bit bigger in proportions to this cat, but, you know, still good. Could be better, but thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this also helped you draw a cat. Our channel is Little Whiskers, so please subscribe. Love that, because I love to draw, and there will definitely be more videos. Probably I'm going to do like a sketchbook tour like I saw that Echo girl did. Sorry, I do not fully remember your name. But there will definitely be more art in the future, especially if I keep doing more. So I thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give us a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!